Welcome to ECTV Tries, where things tend to get unreal. I'm Lizzie.
And I'm Ella, and welcome to another episode of Halloween-themed Tries.
Although we don't know what today's task is, we have been given a hint.
The hint is, don't get jelly. Choose wisely.
I don't know what that means.
It's gonna be Jell-O.
Jell-O?
I think so.
There was Jell-O in the dining hall today. Maybe they got some from there.
Great.
I don't know.
Okay, so I think it's time we look at the task.
Okay.
You would be playing Is It Gummy or Real Food? Okay, so not Jell-O.
Okay,
this
wait.
is good.
I feel like that sounds easy, but the last one I had to try food in, I was really bad.
Yeah. We got it.
Yeah, we got it.
Okay.
Oh. Now that we know our task, we'll be right back and get started. Welcome back to ECTV Tries, where we just found out our task was a gummy versus real foods challenge.
So how this works is simple. Each round we will take turns looking under our bowls to see what we have. Once we can either tell the truth or, once we look, we can either tell the truth or lie about what's underneath.
The other person who did not get to look can either swap bowls or keep the ones they have, depending on how the other person responded to looking at what was underneath the bowl.
Now that we have had a deeper explanation, we can get started.
Look.
All right.
Or am I supposed to look at your reaction?
I don't know, but I have a piece of candy under here. I don't know.
I don't know you well enough to know what you're like when you're lying.
I'm not lying, so. Do you want it? I'll give it to you.
Now I'll keep this one.
Oh, okay, okay. So
then
now
do we split them up?
I guess.
Okay. What the heck?
See, I didn't lie. Do we eat it?
I guess.
I've actually never had one of these before.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, don't spill.
No, those are good. Those are good.
It's like...
I'm gonna be burping now. Mmm. I think it's funny that it was in a cup. Oh, maybe I was supposed to pour it in.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
So now do we switch?
Now you're lifting it up and you're lying to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're not lying. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
So now we have our next things. I'm gonna look. Oh, okay. I have gummies. Gummy grapes.
Grapes?
Yeah.
I kind of like grapes. I'll keep mine.
Okay.
If they are really grapes.
Yeah.
Hopefully. They are. Okay, I have a cup of grapes.
That's yum. I have gummy grapes. They look yummy. Oh my gosh. Wait, are these those things where you have to I don't know. How do I open this?
That's pretty good.
Just break it. I'm confused. You're gonna have to cut out part of this.
We need the muscles.
Yeah. Maybe I could. Oh, you got it. Oh.
Did I make it easier or more difficult to get it out?
Oh boy.
Let me try another one.
I got it.
You did? Oh my gosh, add them to the rescue.
Wow.
Add my gummy grape. It's really moist.
Oh wow.
Here's some more.
Does it taste like a grape?
I don't know what it tastes like. I feel like you're gonna get mukbang out of this. Okay.
It's my turn now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We have hot dogs under here, dude.
Which one do you have?
I have a hot dog. Like one of the ones that you get at the carnival, where they make it fresh.
I don't even know which one I would want, actually.
Yeah, honestly,
Would you want the gummy or the real thing? Because I don't really care.
Well, I have the real one.
The real one?
Yeah. But I ate lunch really early today, so like I'm kind of happy about this.
Okay, yeah. I might get dinner after this, so I might stick with the gummy.
Okay.
Okay. We got scared. It's huge. Oh my god.
Okay.
Beautiful. Eating this on camera is just so awkward. I'm gonna wait till you.
I don't know what happened to mine. It's like a little bit mangled in here.
Oh no.
I can't. Oh my god.
Oh
There.
god.
Yum.
Beautiful. 10 out of 10 hot dog. It's kind of cold, but
Ooh.
you're giving
Oh,
me a
she
devious
gets the silver
look.
one now. Yeah. Oh wait, no, that wouldn't.
I feel like I have hot dog in my teeth now.
No, because
Okay, so now I'm lying.
yeah,
Or not.
or yeah, who knows?
Okay. Oh. Okay.
Is it covered?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have string cheese.
Gummy string cheese.
I have
Whoever
the
has
one.
it, that's weird. Gummy string cheese. I would be fine with either though. It's not like gonna kill me.
Well,
You
what are
said
gonna
you.
do?
Which one do you have? You said you.
I have the
which
real one.
I kind of want the real one.
You want to switch?
Yeah.
Okay.
We haven't switched yet either.
No. Oh yeah, we haven't. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Ugh.
I got string cheese.
So do I.
I'm also lactose intolerant, but I really love string
no.
cheese.
Well, this is peculiar. It's licorice. It just looks like
Yeah.
licorice. I wonder if it'll peel like string cheese. It
I mean,
appears to be designed as such. No, it doesn't.
It doesn't? That's so weird. Why they would make it like that?
It just tastes like licorice. It doesn't taste like cheese, which I'm happy about.
Oh yeah.
Or maybe it is supposed to taste like cheese, but to me that does not taste like cheese.
This tastes like cheese.
Okay, so I get to lie.
Oh yeah. Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah. Oh, this is just like, this is fine. It's okay. I have a gummy hamburger. Do you want it? You haven't had a gummy one yet.
I don't want to switch.
Okay, that's fine.
I feel like you're lying.
Ready?
Why? Okay, so I got a burger.
Yum.
This bun looks low-key. Oh wait, there's pickles on it. Never mind, I'm heavy.
I can't open mine. Oh my god.
Great.
There we go. I might eat this whole thing. I like these. I'm gonna keep it with me. Is it good?
Right, there's one of the pickles. What, pickle?
Sure. Or part of this?
No.
No. Yeah.
So much pickle.
We got time. I think you'll like this one. I have some French fries here. Real French fries. So if you want real French fries, I can give you this.
I'll keep this.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god.
All right.
Okay. Okay. You scared me. Whenever I look
You
at your
want
face, I
real
think
ones?
you're lying.
Oh.
Nah.
That makes me feel like so untrustworthy. I promise I am.
After the hamburger, bro, you lost my trust a little bit. These are like sour though. Sour, tutti frutti.
You can have one.
Look, they're so little.
Oh my god, they have like little salt on them too.
It's like sour stuff. Weird, why? Oh, I think I'm smelling your fries because I was gonna say these taste like fries. And I think I'm
can
just
put 'em
smelling
away.
them.
Yeah.
And it's just like lemony.
Nice. It kind of looks like a
Cute.
Sour Patch Kid.
Good
All
stuff.
right.
Okay, ready?
This is our last one. So I have to close my eyes,
I
right?
think so, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What's the damage?
It's a huge bottle, bro.
Are you good at like spicy food?
No.
Oh, that's okay. I'll keep because
Yeah.
I started with the silver bowl. I want to keep the silver bowl for the end.
Okay.
All right. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's a pickle seed on it. Nice.
Ew,
Oh, okay.
No, can I put it on something so it's not just like.
You literally have a hot dog and a burger and fries.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be sweet. It's sour. That's gross.
Oh. Why is it like oozing out?
That's like physics, and I don't know how to explain it.
I really don't like that.
You put like so much on your finger, dude.
No, it just started oozing out. Like, oh my god. That's it for this week's episode. Make sure to stay tuned for some more Halloween-themed episodes on ECTV Tries. I'm Lizzie.
And I'm Ella, and thanks for watching ECTV Tries.